Hello YouTube, this is TrickVic 406. It's my first video. This is my 2003 Victory Classic Cruiser. It's got a 92 cubic inch motor. Custom seat cover there that I made out of a Jack Daniels bandana. Put some ape hangers on here. School hand grips, chrome. Got kind of a custom fender here. Somebody customized for me. Pulling out of a driveway, or excuse me, a parking lot. Not paying attention where they're backing up. Got some. See that? Got a little bit of clear coat kind of coming up on the forks there. Do quite a bit of riding, all kinds of weather up here in Montana, so I think take a beating. Gonna have to work on that when I redo the fender. Probably just gonna paint the whole thing. That is my bike. I'll fire it up for you. The exhaust is unbaffled. Got a nice roar to it. All the chrome seems to be holding up really well. I've got about 21,000 miles on it. Had it for a couple years now. Most of the riding that I do is in town. Not sure what I'm going to do with my channel yet. Probably do some riding videos, some of the beautiful scenery around Montana, and that's my baby. Thanks.